Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. So if you are looking for the best live TV service for sports in 2024, then look no further because in today's video we will be comparing the two top contenders, YouTube TV and Hulu TV. So let's break down which one scores a touchdown for your viewing experience. First of all, let's talk about YouTube TV. So it is known for its smooth streaming and comprehensive sports coverage. YouTube TV offers over 100 plus live channels, including major sports networks like ESPN, FS1, NBC Sports, and more. New to 2024, YouTube TV now includes access to NFL Sunday Ticket, making it a must have for the football enthusiasts. Now, it supports up to 3 simultaneous streams, unlimited DVR storage with recordings capped for 9 months, and it has an intuitive interface that makes finding your favorite games very easy. Hulu, on the other hand, provides you 90 live channels. It covers the essentials like ESPN, ABC, CBS Sports, and more. For 2024, Hulu has enhanced its sports interface, making it easier to follow live scores and upcoming games. So, what set Hulu apart is its bundle. You get access to Hulu's entire streaming library, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus, perfect for sports fans who also enjoy movies and original shows. Now, let's talk about the pricing. So, YouTube TV Plus's base plan is around $72.99 per month, and Hulu Plus Live TV starts at $76.99, but it includes the Disney Plus and ESPN Plus bundle. For pure sports coverage, YouTube TV Plus, with its access to the NFL Sunday Ticket and extensive DVR feature, edge ahead. But if you are looking for more entertainment value, Hulu's package might be worth the extra cost. So, which one should you choose? For die-hard sports fans focused on variety and convenience, YouTube TV is a top pick for you. If you want a mix sports and streaming content, Hulu plus live TV is your go-to. So which one are you going to pick? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.